In a sudden and coordinated operation, the Enforcement Directorate conducted simultaneous raids at 4 separate locations across the state on Tuesday morning. The raids targeted the residences of Mihir Debnath in Badharghat, Swarup Banik in Nagar, Utpal Chowdhury in Khayerpur and Haradhan Baidya in Nalchar, Melaghar. The surprise raids, carried out with central paramilitary forces providing security, have created a stir in the state. ED raids have been conducted at 4 places such as Badharghat, Navajagaran, Nagar, Nalchar area and Khayerpur area. The ED officials conducted the raids without prior notice to the state police, a tactic previously used in operations against drug traffickers and human smuggling rings in the region. The state has seen a recent surge in illicit activities including drug trafficking and human smuggling, with some individuals allegedly accumulating large sums of wealth overnight through criminal means. The ED team, accompanied by central paramilitary forces, first cordoned off each of the 4 locations before entering the premises. They first raided in the targeted house of Utpal Chowdhury. The ED raided his home in Khayerpur. He is reported to be a close relative of prominent left leader Pavitra Kar. Later, the ED also raided the house of Pavitra Kar into the same case. Next was Haradhan Baidya, a retired bank manager living in Nalchar, Melaghar. The ED reportedly seized several documents from his home. Haradhan is the father-in-law of Utpal Chowdhury. ED collected various documents and papers during the hours-long raids. The ED also conducted a raid at the residence of Mihir Debnath in Badharghat. The ED finally raided the home of Swarup Banik in Nagar. He is a retired fire service employee, is rumored to have earned a significant amount of money while working as a manager for a private company. The specific reasons for the sudden raids remain unclear, as ED officials have not yet released any official statement or spoken to the media.
Sir, please.
Following a recent sudden raid by the Enforcement Directorate, other individuals who have been served notice and have amassed significant wealth through illegal means are now on edge. The state was thrown into a state of flux after 4 separate raids took place. Now the question is, where will the ED's next raid be? Will the raid be conducted at the homes of those who were previously given notice, or will the next raid be in Khorang? Reported by Pranav from Agantla, Chini Khorang.